A pre-owned 2010 Toyota Prius. 2010 Toyota Prius I. Go farther, spend less, drive smarter. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 51 miles per gallon in the city and 48 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a fuel-efficient hatchback that's practical, reliable, and easy on your wallet? This 2010 Toyota Prius I in classic silver metallic is ready to impress. Powered by a 1.8L hybrid i4 engine producing 134 horsepower, it delivers a smooth ride while achieving an outstanding 51 miles per gallon city and 48 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the gray cloth interior offers comfort and convenience with features including keyless entry, touchscreen audio, Bluetooth connectivity, and automatic climate control. With under 115,000 miles, less than 7,000 miles per year, this Prius has been exceptionally well maintained and has plenty of life ahead. A clean Carfax report provides added confidence in its history and condition. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a road trip, this Prius offers dependable performance, impressive efficiency, and low ownership costs in one smart package. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.